This is an HDX HDX fiber enclosure. It's a great solution for small data center or larger enterprise applications. It's available in 1, 2, 3, and 4 RU sizes to patch from 96 to 384 LC fibers depending on your application. It's colored gray, so it looks great in a black rack or a white cabinet. And it's designed for one-person install and one-handed operation. It's compatible with all HDX cassettes, adapter plates, and fiber splice modules, and those are front-loading, so it eases the rear side congestion. There are cable management features built in throughout the enclosure to help deal with patch cords and with incoming trunk fibers. For details on the HDX HDX fiber enclosure, visit the product webpage.